We come at you guys today a bit divided. Gabe and I are not on the same page. Now, this is going to happen from time to time. When you do one experiment a week for 12 years in a row, you're going to run into some times where you're not seeing eye to eye. As you guys know, Gabe is usually the voice of reason, and I'm the voice of chaos. Sometimes I come up with an idea that I really want to do, and it's a terrible idea, and Gabe's able to talk me out of it. But not today. We haven't mixed 2-gallon colors together in a while. Everything we've been doing has been revolving around pearls, and that's great, but I really wanted to mix together 2 gallons, and Gabe did too. But the 2 gallons I wanted to mix, Desert Tan and Persian Blue, were met with a bit of resistance. Do you want to explain to them why you think this is such a terrible idea?
I just think we're going to make something dark and boring.
Dark and boring. He has thrown out 10, maybe more other combinations that he was trying to get my attention and try to pull me away from this combination. But I will be honest with you. The discomfort that is generated from a color combination only fuels my desire to do said combination. And it's not from like, I want to see Gabe distraught point of view. It's that historically, and he has to agree with this, a lot of the color combinations that have made him nervous ended up paying off. So every time I come together with a color combo that he is sure won't work, it makes me interested and even more intrigued. Now, is there a chance that Persian Blue and Desert Tan are going to mix together to make a boring and ugly brown? Yeah. But what if it doesn't? What if it doesn't? Let's take ourselves back to Army Green, one of the most popular pre-mixed colors we sell right now. If you've been around this channel a long time, you know that color was an accident. What 2 colors did we mix together to make Army Green?
Magma and Neo.
Magma Orange and Neo Green. Anybody who knows anything about colors would have said right off the bat, that's going to give you a brown, right?
Yeah.
So how do you know? And if it makes it a brown, you know, I'm okay with that. So Gabe actually pre-mixed here, or pre-made a half a gallon of Persian and Desert Tan. So in first goes the Persian Blue. Persian Blue, extremely popular color, bright, bold, that has unbelievable color shifting properties. Desert Tan, stealthy, aggressive, exactly what you would expect out of a Desert Tan. I'm a little nervous pouring this in. This is going to make a 50-50 ratio. Do it slow. Well, there's no backing out. And after we do this 50-50 ratio, we'll just scale it up for the car. Obviously, we're working on the Mustang today. It's got an avalanche gray base. So, any guesses? Are you just going to guess like coffee brown, chocolate brown? Like,
I mean, it may not be as brown as we think. It's still going to be dark.
Okay, so you think this is going to be too dark?
I think it's going to be dark and ugly.
Well, right. All right, so stepping back, the blue is holding pretty well. You have to admit. Whether or not it's going to hold well when we start, should we mix this with the stick now and show a preview of what it's going to be, or should we just go straight into the blending shots?
I'm not sure. This is looking a little lighter than I thought, though.
You know what? I think we're going to back off. I think we're going to skip the stick of truth. I think we're going to leave it just like this. We're going to go into the blending shot so you guys can actually see these colors in slow-mo come together in uniform into one powerful combination of something ugly. And then we'll throw it on the car, and then I'll talk to you guys in a couple minutes. Cool? Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, Gabe, when we were going into this and first gathering the gallons, what was your first primary concern about this mix?
I thought we were gonna make like a brown.
And that's a very logical concern. The chances of us making a brown with these two components was extremely high. Your other concerns that it was gonna be dark and boring, is it as dark as you thought?
No, it's definitely lighter.
Okay, now whether or not it's boring, we're gonna leave that up to you guys to decide. But the point of this is you never know, no matter what two colors you wanna mix, you never know what it's gonna make, you never know what you're gonna get, and it's always worth giving it a shot. Now we're gonna take the car outside right now, and you guys know what to do. Leave a comment below and rate this color 1 through 5. Also, let me know, is this what you expected a mix of Persian blue and desert tan to look like? Be honest, because we read as many comments as we possibly can. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. All of our kits are in one place. We had a ton of fun on this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. We'll see you guys on the next video.